Welcome to the Get Digital Marketing Results podcast, where we give you information and actionable tips to grow your organization.
Hi, I'm Bob Clark.
And I'm Donna Body. We're with Delos Inc., and we make the web work for you. In today's Tech News Tuesday episode, we're talking about some new features of YouTube and how they might change up your content strategy.
That's right, Donna. YouTube is making it easier for you to organize your content and engage your audience. One of the biggest changes, YouTube is introducing seasons for videos, which is similar to how Netflix organizes its content.
Exactly, Bob. You can now group your videos into different seasons and episodes, which makes it easier for your audience to navigate and binge watch on TV. With more people watching YouTube on their televisions these days, this change really caters to that experience. In fact, YouTube said that revenue from TV-based viewers is up 30% year over year. So this move is all about making the platform more user-friendly for TV viewers.
And what's also cool about this update is that it creates a more streamlined viewing experience, almost like a mini-series. This means that channels with related content like tutorials or ongoing series can present their videos in a format that looks more like a TV show. So if you've ever felt like your content gets lost in the shuffle, this new format can really help you stand out.
That's right. And that's not the only update, Bob. YouTube is also introducing a new feature called Hype. It lets viewers promote videos by giving them a hype click. It's a way for smaller channels to get a boost without having to rely solely on the recommendation algorithm or search results.
That's a great way for smaller channels to get discovered. And it's not just about giving your favorite videos a little nudge. In the future, YouTube plans to let fans purchase additional hypes, opening up a new revenue stream for their channels and platform. So, for those passionate fans out there, it's a new way to support your favorite channels, like TNT, Tech News Tuesday.
Exactly. And speaking of support for you, YouTube is also adding AI tools to help you brainstorm ideas right in YouTube Studio. This feature was tested earlier this year, and now it's being rolled out to all. You can enter a prompt to get video ideas or even suggestions for titles and descriptions. And soon, YouTube will let you generate AI-assisted thumbnails and reply to comments more quickly using AI.
AI-generated thumbnails could save so much time, especially if you're someone who struggles with creating engaging visuals. And we all know that thumbnails play a huge role in whether or not someone clicks on your video. With these new tools, you can experiment more and see what works best without spending a lot of time.
Exactly. And these updates are all about making YouTube a more powerful tool for you, whether it's organizing your content into seasons, hyping your favorite videos, or using AI to brainstorm ideas. These changes are designed to help you grow your channel and connect with your audience more easily.
And that's it for today's episode. You can find some links on this topic at delosinc.com/episode 365. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on our actionable digital marketing tips to grow your organization.